get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning everyone! Today is the start of our US road trip. So, pa-check out na kami dito sa hotel. Pupunta na tayo sa Hertz. It's just 5 minutes from here para i-pick up yung car rental na kinuha natin. So, for today, we'll drive to Joshua Tree National Park. It's about 2.5 hours away from here. And then we'll stay there overnight. And then after nun, we will drive to Vegas. Itong road trip na to, ginawa na namin to dati. Pero ulitin namin ngayon. Pero much shorter. And mas pinutol namin yung mga ibang, or kinontian lang namin yung pupuntahan kasi may kasama kaming princess. Right? So yun lang. We're very excited. Join us on this adventure. We'll see you later. Bye! For the transfer service to Hertz. So ang ginagamit namin dito madalas is yung Lyft. It's an app na parang Grab, parang Uber. Yun yung ginagamit namin dito to get around. Okay, nandito na kami sa Hertz. Ayan na yung mga sasakyan. So, pasok na muna ako. Sama ka kasi baka hanapin ka. Okay, sige. Ako muna. Okay, tapos na tayo sa loob. Ito na ang ating car for this trip. Pipindutin. Ay, walang pinduta. Ito, sa ilalim.
Dalawa?
Yeah.
Iyan siya twice.
Ayan na, naglo-load na si Daddy. And si Real. So, yung car, it's a... Ano to, Ford? Yeah. Okay, so we'll get ready and we'll see you later. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, long time. We're actually talking about it with Sergio the other day.
I know Sergio.
Yeah, Sergio.
Grabe oh. Kakaiba yung ano niya, cambio niya. Deikot. Tingnan niyo yung daan dito. Ang ganda, no? Tulog na si Serene. So, mga mag-1 hour na tayo nagda-drive. And, so far mukhang nagagamay na ni Pipoy. Mas kamahal.
Yeah, medyo nakagamay ko naman.
Okay, bawal istorbe. Focus mo na siya. Okay, so we made it here to Joshua Tree National Park. This park sits between the Mojave Desert and Colorado Desert. So mamaya pupunta tayo dun sa visitor center para bayaran yung entrance fee. And as you can see, ayan, wala ka na halos makita na mga buildings and anything else. Mga sasakyan na lang. Tapos, yan, desert na talaga siya. See? Mamaya pupuntahan natin yung mga famous sites dito. Okay? So that's it. See you there. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Look, oh. Tingnan mo naman yan, oh. Ganda, no, surreal? Kind of scary because there's no cell service. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, make sure to download yung map dito kasi walang signal. Okay, so, andito na tayo sa Visitor Center. Sa left, yan. We're going to pay the entrance fee. And then magdadrive ulit tayo papunta dun sa Choya Cactus Garden. Okay, so dito meron silang paganyan, no? Everyday, tinatrack nila yung air quality tsaka yung fire danger. So, it's a good time today. Good yung air quality and low in terms of fire danger. And then, in terms of entrance fees, eto siya. So, yan yung entrance fee niya. Okay, let's go inside and pay.
To display it, keep it in the console so it can't blow away.
Okay.
The next time somebody wants to see it is when you exit the park.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so nakapagbayad na tayo ng entrance fee. Ito siya, $30 per vehicle. And it's good for 1 week na. Although we don't need 1 week na.
Okay.
Alright, let's go! Yeah. Water?
Ano lahat eh? 17 lahat. So mga 14, mga $3 lang.
$3. Patingin nga niya nabili mo, Surreal. Si Surreal talaga, walang pinapalagpas na shop.
Maganda nga yun eh.
Oh, stick nga eh. Oh.
Okay.
Show it. Show them how it works.
So,
Okay.
you're gonna do it like this. Ay, no, pabaliktad.
Dito ka sa harap ko para makita. Ayan. I cannot see it properly. There. Ah, para siyang lumilipad. Okay.
Pa-close. Pero, sa animation.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Grabe, ang laki talaga nitong Joshua Tree National Park. From the Visitor Center, papunta dun sa Choya Cactus Garden, 22 minutes na drive pa. So, ito yung dinadaanan namin ngayon. Ayan. Ayan. Pure desert. Okay, so we're here at Choya Cactus Garden. Ang ganda, grabe, medyo na starstruck ako makita sila in person. So, kapag tiningnan mo sila sa malayo, kala mo ang fluffy nila. Pero pag lumapit ka, sobrang spiky niyan. Tingnan mo. Ayan. May tawag sila rito, nakalimutan ko eh. Kasi kapag humangin, parang flying cactus or something. I'll search and then lalagay ko na lang. Kasi kapag humangin, pwede silang lumipad at matusok ka. So you have to be very careful. And as of the moment, ang kinakapraningan ko dahil nasa desert tayo is rattlesnakes. Yes, meron nandito. As well as coyotes and mountain lions. So we have to be careful. Nagbasa naman ako ng mga precaution tungkol doon. So, ayan. Wala, grabe, it's so surreal to be here, right, surreal? Wala, hindi bumenta sa kanya yung joke ko. Pero yeah, that's how it feels. Parang hindi totoo.
Sobrang dami.
Ang dami. Lakad
Sobrang
tayong
dami.
konti hanggang dito lang. Yun na lang natin yung train.
Let's go.
Okay. Just be careful, watch your step.
Where are we walking?
Just here. So, why are you getting scared?
Oh, we're spelling mountain lions.
Well,
Bro, stop seeing those.
but I'm saying the truth. They can be here, but they
You're about
don't.
to step on one.
They don't really. What do you call this? They don't really go here when there's a lot of people. But when you
Dito
encounter
ba, Lo?
them, saan tayo dyan?
Ito, mas clear.
Oh my God, I stepped on one. Grabe ang kapit niya, oh. Ew!
Ay, may mga spike pa.
Ayan, oh.
I-ano mo.
Like,
Kiss-kiss mo sa ano.
yeah. Tinatawanan ako ni Cyril. Okay, ilang beses na nakatapak si Daddy? 2. Si Mami 3. At si Cyril, tawa ng tawa ting makakatapak ako. Si Cyril ang galing, watching her step, no? Grabe, sobrang ganda dito, parang ayokong umalis. Ibang klase, nakakatuwa. Kasi sanay tayo lagi na beach o kaya puro greens. Pero dito sa US, kakaiba talaga yung mga national parks nila. Like, oo, dry. Pero maganda. Like before na napuntahan natin, oh my God, that's scary. Wait, sorry ha. Papakita ko sa inyo. Parang bahay ng rattlesnake. Yeah. But they won't come out in the... Kita ba? Huwag gagawa yan. Oh my God, ang dami. Ayan yung mga butas. Nakikita ba? I don't think they will come out in the morning. Pero they will. Kaya. So dito... Make sure that you watch your step. Huwag nyong hahawakan yung mga hindi tanaw ng kamay nyo kasi may mga parts dito na may mga rocks. So, pwede kang mag-hiking. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga itsura nila. So, medyo kinabahan ako doon sa, sa hole. Anyway. Where? Yeah, ang dami. Oh my God. Tara na. Ang dami. But yeah, sobrang ganda ng mga national parks dito sa US. Isa sa pinakamagandang nakita ko rin dati is yung Bryce Canyon. I really like that. Yung Zion, maganda rin siya kaso medyo crowded doon. But yeah, I can't get over the view. Ang ganda. Ayan o, diba? Ang ganda. At ang aking baby girl, tawa pa din ang tawa.
I think you're gonna step on one again.
Really? Okay. Whoever steps on one again will buy dinner. Alright. Okay, let's go to the next stop. Bye, Choya Garden. Choya Garden, mali. Bye, Choya Cactus Garden. Ganda, oh. Tingnan mo.
I think Mommy
Did you guys like it here?
Yeah.
Ang tagal sumagat. Why? Why not? Si Cyril na natakot kasi siya kasi binigyan ko siya ng lessons about mga precautions na gagawin dito. Dati nung kami lang ni Pipoy nagpupunta sa mga ganito, dead ba lang tayo, no? Pero before going here, sobrang pagbabasa rin yung ginawa ko in preparation kasi nga, may kasama kaming baby girl. So, kapag may kasama kayong kids, syempre, safety is always your top priority. And yes, totoo na walang signal dito. So, download Google Maps ahead of time. Okay? So, yun lang. See you on the next stop! Bigla nagre-rap?
Ito na ba tayo?
Yan na ba? Nakikita niyo na yung mga rocks. Grabe, oh. Ang ganda. Para tayo nasa Flintstones. Okay, so we're here now sa Arch Rock Nature Trail. I'm not sure kung makakarating kami doon kasi medyo malayo siya. Kasama kasi namin si Cyril. Are you sure you wanna go? Okay, let's go.
Where those people are, you basically head over there where those rocks are.
Oh, okay.
And that's it. Very flat, very open.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There it is. Yan yung map. Okay. Thank you. Oo, nakakatuwa. I mean, hindi nakakatuwa. Ibig ko sabihin, desert siya, pero malamig. Kasi, hindi pa summer season. So, pag nasa ganito kayo, Watch your step. Just stay on the trail. And, of course, use common sense. Para saan kaya yung mga ganyang bato? No? Pag nakakita ka ng mountain lion, pambato mo.
Ay, mga ganito.
Yeah. Ayan o, baby, yung ganyang bato, oh. Ayan, so this is the trail going there. So sabi ng babae, may mga nag-away daw doon. Kasi ano, ang haba na nung line. Tapos may nag-away. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito, oh. Love it. Okay, we go this way. You're cold, Surreal? Nakikita niyo ba to? Ang lalaki ng mga bato. It's called Joshua National Tree because of this tree. Yan yon. Siya si Joshua.
Baka si Joshua yung nagtanim.
Alright, let's go! Ang lalaki ng bato, oh. We're back sa Flintstones. Oh. Yan, muntik pa ako matapa. Okay. Wow! Thank you, Surreal! Ang galing kumuha, no? Tingin. Ang galing! You're really an artist, Surreal.
Pwede ikaw lang.
Ano yung trail? Ito? Okay. Diyan na lang, pababa. Ang daming Joshua. Parang arko. Ganda.
Mama, Queen. Mami, ito kami.
Hmm? Wait.
Ito, Queen.
Be careful, ha? Oh.
You just almost fall.
Ayun, just go to daddy. Oops, oops, it's okay. There. Okay. Oh my God, it's my turn. Okay. Oo, so mukhang hindi namin mararating yung mismong Arch Rock Trail because aside from the lack of signs, medyo mahirap na para kay Surreal tong mga daan. But it's still okay. I had fun hiking all the way up here. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Now how do we go back?
Huh?
Now how do we go back?
How do we go back? We walk all the way back. Yeah, that's how it is. Wala kasing mga ano eh, hindi nga rin sila sure kung doon yung daan eh. Look at how far they are now. Yung kasama natin kanina, oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So far.
Okay. Anyway, let's go, girl.
Okay.
I enjoyed the walk.
I wanna hide.
Yeah. This is the big rock.
Help me.
Mahal, anong gagawin mo pag bigla may lumabas dito na mountain lion? Teka, paano? Yeah. No, that's true. You make yourself look big as much as possible. So, dapat si Mami yung harap doon, mahal ako. And then you make a lot of noise while shouting and throwing things. So, you try to defend yourself. Okay, let's go. Tanda mo pa yung daan.
But, Mommy, I can do that. I can shout really loud and you and Daddy are gonna throw the rocks.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that.
I can shout really loud.
Alright.
I can't even
Be careful, Suril, ha? Medyo madulas yung loose rocks.
you and Daddy throw the rocks and I shout. So, I'm going to
Gusto niya dyan. Gusto niya. Ha? Kalsada na? Oh, yung campground. I see. Oo, careful. Careful, mahal. Awa ka mo siya. No! Oh my God, kumuha na ng bato. Put it back. Di ba I just told you don't touch rocks? I'm trying to mimic the rattlesnake, but I can't. Dito na yan, di ba? Pabalik. Dito. Sure ka? Okay, don't trust Mommy when it comes to directions. Sure ka dyan yun? Ah, yeah, kasi nga namili tayo kung left or right kanina.
What's an arch rock?
I'll show you the picture. It's like this, oh. Yeah. I'll show you later. Okay, baka may pag-asa. Dito ata yung arch rock. Dito, mahal. The arch. Ayan. That is.
Yun na.
Yeah. Mali tayo ng dinaanan. Ito na siya. So, yung sinasabi nila na if you go to the other side, makikita mo yung pinaka-arch niya. Oh my God. Kawawa naman yung mga kasama natin pumunta dun. Yeah. So, that's the arch rock. Yeah. Okay. So, ayun na nga. Mali yung dinaanan natin kanina. Ito na yung the arch.
The arch is there.
Ayan siya. Ayun siya sa taas. Unfortunately, we cannot go there kasi mahirapan si Cyril.
No, I can't.
No, it's dangerous.
Why?
But,
I wanna
yeah, it's
parkour.
beautiful. You wanna parkour?
Yes. I can do it.
It's okay. Yung sinasabi ng lalaki kanina, pag umakyat ka raw sa isang bato, ito ata yun, makikita mo yung pinaka-arch niya pag doon ka sa other side. O, pag umakyat ka rito, para makita mo yung pinaka-butas niya sa gitna.
But the problem is how do I go down?
Yeah, exactly, right? It's easy to go up. The problem is going down. Okay, anyway, say bye to the arch rock.
Bye.
Okay, on to the next stop.
Construction.
Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa Arch Rock. Nakakatuwa. I really enjoyed this hike. So, ngayon, punta na tayo sa Skull Rock. Ano, napanood nyo na ba yung Breaking Bad? Yung nakikita namin dito, parang ganun yung scenes doon. Kung saan sila nagluluto. But yeah, I'm loving this day. I really like the surroundings, the atmosphere, the Joshua trees, the surreal. It's an easy trail naman. Okay, let's go to the next stop. Ano yung bumati sa sunglasses mo? 4. What did they say?
I like the sunglasses. Daddy, $10 billion.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa last stop for the day, dito sa Skull Rock. So, ayun siya. From this angle, hindi mo ganong kita. Kaya akit tayo doon para makita natin yung itsura niya. Okay, let's go! There. From this angle. Ayan siya. Actually, dito maganda yung picture. Hindi malapit, no? Para kita. Wait lang natin sila, Swirl, and then you take a picture here. Okay. Dahil wala naman ganun tao, pwede natin puntahan. Nahihiya ako doon sa mga ibang magpipicture. Tapos, huwag kayong ganun ha. Huwag kayong ganun tourist yung nagpicture tapos natambay pa. Bigyan nyo ng chance magpicture yung iba. Ang ganda. And creepy at the same time. Swirl, be careful.
I know to go down.
You have to wait for daddy. Okay? Careful.
Look at this. Look. It's shaped like a square.
Oh, careful. Alright. Okay. Gusto niya talagang umakyat. I think it's easier. Hang on. Hanggang dyan lang. Okay. Try to climb that. Careful. See, it's hard. Okay, so that's it for our Joshua Tree National Park Tour. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo kasi ang ganda talaga ng mga nakita natin. Again, reminders when going here, pack water, food, walang mabibilhan dito, use sunscreen, pay your entrance fee, and most importantly, download Google Maps, okay? So that's it. We'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!